All right, here's an update on the solar I got set up for all my crypto mining. Although it's taking care of all the household needs as well. I haven't had an electric bill other than just service fees, which they make you pay no matter what. So my bill is like $23 every month. It's been like that for about a year now. As you can see, this meter here is still running backwards at a pretty good clip. Going to the left, it's running backwards. You see that little line at the bottom? And this inverter here, if I can get, there it goes. He's running over 4,000 watts right now. And it's still early morning, as you can see by the shade on the ground here. It's only about 8:30 here. And I'm running 3 inverters. And there's my breakers for my mining PDUs. I'll go over here and I'll show you the other inverter. And there's my backup generator. We have hurricanes around here, so I had to make sure I had one of those. And that's a 22 kilowatt. Let's see what this inverter here is getting. It's getting 3,500 watts right now, early in the morning, and it'll peak out over 7,000 as well. I know I really do like those inverters from Sunny Boy, that's for sure. And on this side here, I installed used solar panels. Which surprisingly, I've been getting 100% out of them, which I thought I was only going to get about 85% power out of them. But they've been doing well for me. I don't know if it's just luck of the draw or what, but I'm getting really good use out of the used panels. On this side here, these are new panels. And I tried to hide the wiring as much as possible. That way it wouldn't be an eyesore for my wife. As you can see, most of the wiring is all hidden. On this side here, decided I'm going to try to get completed by the first of the year. If not, hopefully by the end of January. I'm going to go all the way down this side as well. And this side here is going to get over 10,000 watts. And I did the overhang, well, the awning type deal, so I wouldn't have to take the panels off the roof in case I ever have a leak. And the overhang on the roof on the panels isn't that bad. If I figured it up correctly, I think I'm only losing maybe 200 watts for a little bit of shade that the overhang of the roof is putting on the panels. It's only overhanging maybe 6-8 inches, if that. And it's not really covering the whole thing up. It casts a little bit of shade on it. And I don't have no trees and stuff around me, so I pretty much get sun all the time. Even morning time, this side over here is going to get most of the power. And this one here is going to catch it all day long. Then the other side that I got to complete is going to catch the afternoon sun. But what I got up right now is taking care of all the household power and all my mining that I got going on with my L3s. And a little bit of Chia mining that I'm doing. If you looked at my other video, you'll see I'm doing some Chia mining now, which uses very little power at all. That whole setup I got doing Chia mining only running 150 watts. Those L3s is a different story. They're power hogs. I haven't did a test startup on my Generac in a while. I'll go ahead and do that now while I'm out here to make sure the battery and everything's okay on it. And it looks like everything's fine on that there. You know, I want to start that up again for another month or two to just make sure the battery's okay. But like I said, that's mainly for hurricanes, for when the power goes down. Running off that propane tank. That's the only thing that propane tank is for, that generator. Now then, to shut this gate. And show you that meter running backwards one more time. And as you can see, it's moving backwards at a pretty good clip there. And that's with everything running. So I can only imagine how much power I'm going to have to play with more mining rigs later after I get that other side put up. If you want to stay caught up with me and you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you again.